Guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on gold. Yesterday we did a weekly analysis. Now it's for the daily one. So, guys, gold has been too volatile, guys. It has been too volatile. So, anyways, as I mentioned, we are at a weekly and daily support area. So there is that, guys. So what I'm going to do for today, guys, is a question. Because going on the higher time frames, guys, on the weekly or the daily, yeah, this is a support area. I am kind of bullish. Yeah, in 1 hour looks like it wants to get back up again. Unfortunately, guys, for those people who have small accounts, the gold has been too volatile. So, guys, please be careful. Meaning, one spike, one candle on the one edge is about, you can say it's about 2000 pips. So, it's not normal, guys. This doesn't happen normally in gold. So, please manage your positions accordingly. If you have a small account, just avoid trading this for now. This is my opinion. The rest is up to you guys. So, guys, for today, as long as the prices stays above 4484, guys, I am bullish, and we will be seeing 4722, and after that, guys, we will be going for 4944. Okay, guys, these are my only two bullish targets, and guys, if the price breaks below 4404, only then, guys, I start selling this, and guys, my target would be, yeah, as the market is so volatile, our target easily could be, guys, 4273. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make a lot of money trading gold, and see you guys tomorrow.